Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Costway VD-23050PE electric air fryer. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone just starting to explore healthier cooking methods, this air fryer promises to bring that crispy, delicious fried taste without the excess oil. But does it really live up to the hype? Stick around as we break it down. The Costway VD-23050PE is a 3.2-quart air fryer that boasts 1,400 watts of power. It's designed to make your favorite fried foods healthier, using rapid hot air circulation to cook food evenly with little to no oil. The adjustable temperature control ranges from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to cook a variety of dishes at just the right heat. The timer, which goes up to 30 minutes, ensures that your food is cooked just the way you want it, without the worry of overcooking. Plus, it's equipped with a non-stick coated cooking basket that makes food transfer a breeze and cleanup even easier. Now, let's talk real-world testing. In my kitchen, this air fryer made a noticeable difference in my cooking routine. Setting it up was a breeze. Just plug it in, set the temperature and timer, and you're good to go. I tested it with a few classic air fryer recipes: crispy fries, chicken wings, and even a batch of fish fillets. The fries turned out golden and crispy, just like they would in a deep fryer, but with far less oil. The chicken wings were juicy on the inside and crisp on the outside, and the fish fillets didn't stick to the basket, which was a plus. The best part? I didn't need to monitor it constantly. The timer and auto shut-off feature took care of the rest, letting me get on with other things. When it comes to usability, this air fryer is straightforward and easy to operate. The touchscreen interface is simple to navigate, and adjusting the temperature and timer takes just a couple of taps. The detachable cooking basket is another win. It makes serving up the food hassle-free, and the cool touch handle ensures I didn't burn myself during the process. However, it's worth noting that, like many air fryers, the basket is on the smaller side. So if you're cooking for a larger family or need to prepare multiple servings, you might need to do a few rounds. As for the pros and cons, let's break them down. On the plus side, the rapid hot air circulation system works as promised, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food with minimal oil. The 1,400-watt power output gives it a solid performance, and the temperature range is versatile enough for a variety of dishes. The ease of use with the touch screen and the convenient auto shut-off are definite highlights. On the downside, the 3.2-quart basket may be too small for some families or larger meal prep sessions. Also, the build quality is decent, but doesn't scream premium, though at this price point, that's to be expected. It's not the quietest air fryer on the market, and the cooking process can produce a bit of noise, but it's nothing too bothersome. In terms of value for money, the Costway VD-23050PE hits a sweet spot. At a reasonable price, you're getting a solid, efficient air fryer with all the key features you'd expect: adjustable temperature, a non-stick basket, and an auto shut-off function. It's definitely competitive when compared to other air fryers in this price range. The 3.2-quart capacity is on the smaller side, so if you're looking for something to handle larger portions, you might want to consider other models with bigger baskets. But for smaller households or anyone looking to make quick, healthy meals, this is a great option. Let's quickly compare this model to a few competitors. If we look at similar models in the same price range, you might find a few with larger baskets, like the Ninja air fryer or the Costway air fryer. Both are solid options, but come at a slightly higher price point for similar features. Where the Costway air fryer stands out is in its simplicity and straightforward design, which may be exactly what some users are looking for. It's not overly complex, but it gets the job done, making it ideal for those new to air frying or anyone who values ease of use. When it comes to build quality, the Costway VD-23050PE feels solid enough, but it doesn't quite have the robust feel of some of the higher-end models. The plastic exterior is durable, but the overall build quality isn't as premium as some other brands. That said, if it holds up over time, this won't be an issue. As for longevity, there's no long-term data on the specific model, but based on the reputation of the Costway brand and its focus on delivering reliable products, I'd expect it to last for a good few years with proper care. If you've ever had to deal with frustrating customer service, you'll be glad to know that Costway's reputation in this department is solid. While I didn't have to reach out for support during my testing, reports from users suggest that Costway provides responsive and helpful service. As always, it's good to have peace of mind knowing that customer service has your back, should you need it. So, is the Costway VD-23050PE electric air fryer worth your money? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use air fryer that delivers solid performance at a reasonable price, then yes, this is a good choice. The 3.2 quart capacity and simple features are perfect for smaller households or anyone looking to try out air frying for the first time. However, if you need something for larger meal prep sessions or more advanced features, you might want to explore other options. Before I wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews just like this one. If you've got questions or thoughts on the Costway VD-23050PE, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next great kitchen companion could be waiting inside Reviewsinside TV. Until next time, happy cooking!